So here's a little project we've been working on. It's an old David Brown 780. We bought it with a seized engine last year, and we've been working on it in the workshop, you know, on the quiet days. We've got the engine out, we've got the gearbox back together so we can move the tractor around. There's a steering column, the clutch, pressure plates, the flywheel, it's all out, and on the bench we've got the engine block, the old 3-cylinder, and we're just stripping this down prior to sending it off for machining. The bores, I don't know if you can see inside or not, but the bores, they've got quite a lip on there, so there's quite a bit of engine wear in there. That one's not too bad. That one's got a lip on it, you can just feel it with your fingernails. So we're going to take the studs out, and it's more or less stripped down, ready for machining. So here's the little David Brown 780 that we've got in the workshop at the moment, which we've been tinkering with all over the winter, and I've just found the old video of where we got it from, so I'm going to play that for you now. Some other bits up there, isn't there? There's no fastening it to up front though, is there?
You'll have to do that back, isn't it? On the rubber.
That's it.
There's no towing eye on front, so what we're going to do, go down back. Yeah, take it up, it's on there, I'll track it.
Got good tyres on though, ain't it, Bob?
Yeah. Surprised me that one blew up.
So all the engine is out and everything's been cleaned and jet washed. Got all the grease and oil out of the transmission casing, and everything out of the sump and everything. So the block is stripped down. If you remember yesterday, we had to get the bearing out and out of the injector timer, and the diesel pump, and the studs are all out. So that's all ready now to go off for machining. So yeah, So we're going to send that off next week, hopefully, and then crack on with everything else that needs doing to it. Hopefully get it running. That's the plan.